Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to view your OneDrive memories, the easiest way to relive precious moments, old photos, and highlights from years gone by. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly find and enjoy your on this day memories using just the OneDrive web interface. No extra apps, no confusion, just a simple, smooth process to spark a little nostalgia whenever you need it. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to OneDrive.com. Even though you can access OneDrive from your phone or computer, using the web version is honestly the fastest and most straightforward way to find your memories. Once you're there, sign in with your Microsoft account just like you usually do. It's important to use the same account where you have your photos stored. Don't worry if your login takes a moment, especially if you haven't signed in recently. Now, with OneDrive open in front of you, take a look at the navigation pane on the left side of the screen. You'll see a list of places like My Files, Recent, and so on. What you're looking for here is a section labeled Photos. Go ahead and click on that. Choosing the Photos section is key because it acts as your personal gallery, filtering out your documents, spreadsheets, and everything else, so you can focus in on your pictures and videos without any distractions. Now, at the top of your photo gallery, you'll notice a few different tabs. One of them is called Memories or sometimes Moments, depending on your version. This is the magic spot. When you click on Memories, you'll see a timeline of special highlights from previous years. Basically, it's your own on this day showcase, similar to what you might have seen on Facebook or Google Photos. What's great about this is that OneDrive automatically curates and organizes these for you, so you're instantly reminded of vacations, birthdays, or just little snapshots you might have forgotten about. So why is this worth checking? Besides the fun of seeing what you were up to exactly 1 year ago, this Memories view helps you reconnect with events and people that might not pop up in your daily scrolling. It's almost like opening a digital time capsule. Now, here's a little tip about navigating your memories. As of 2025, if you click on a memory, OneDrive often starts a slideshow, cycling through your highlights with smooth transitions. This is a nice way to sit back and watch your memories come alive, perfect for sharing with family or just reliving a favorite day. But if you ever want to get back to a regular gallery view, maybe you want to select specific photos or just prefer browsing at your own pace, look for a little button in the top left corner of the slideshow that says View Memory. Just give it a click and you'll return to the gallery interface. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can take a walk down memory lane, relive your favorite moments, and re-experience the stories behind your photos, all neatly organized for you in OneDrive's Memories section. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to share what fun things you rediscovered in your gallery. And if you'd like more easy tech tips and tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss out. Thanks for watching and happy memory viewing.